I'm gonna show you what it's like to be a porter. The fuck she think she is? Queen fucking Elizabeth? Like, goddamn. Got fur coat and everything. I just had to show y'all this. But it'd be crazy how dirty some of these people's cars are. Like, damn.
Okay, I hop up in my coupe, y'all. What's up? Do you wanna go far with me? On my hand, I ain't really going far. Bitch, I'll take you to the moon and the stars. Yeah, I hop up in my coupe, y'all. What's up? Do you wanna go far with me? On my hand.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna show you what it's like to be a porter at BMW in Raleigh. Right now, I'm parking the car, and this is Saturday, so it's pretty much easier on these days. But I couldn't do it on a weekday because it's too busy and everything. But what y'all really do is just park cars, talk to customers, and yeah. I'll turn this off. Alright. Okay, so right now on Saturdays I have to drop off this into the shop, but it's not like that every day, just on Saturdays because there's not that many customers. But yeah. So yeah, now pretty much all I'm doing is just waiting for cars to come through the air. Yeah. Just sit and wait. And I'll come in from 8 to 4. That's how we're open for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just had to show y'all this. But it'd be crazy how dirty some of these people's cars are. Like, damn. But yeah. So how y'all been? What y'all doing? I know y'all haven't liked the video or subscribed because I'm trying to hit that 1K, but we need that subscription. I also take the cars back down, like once they're done with wash or anything, or like done with service, or if they're like picking up from a previous day. As I do that as well. Parking area. This is key. I put this in here. Talk to y'all later. But y'all gotta see this in for. That shit is clean. Oof. I need me one of those. That's it. 100 something. But yeah, it's like 100 something. That's the new one, 2025, new LED lights and everything. Tab. Gotta fucking go drop this shit off. I don't know how people keep their cars just dirty. But at the end of the day, it's their car, so can't say shit. But yeah, one more time. Cause shit, what? It's a competition package. Shit's nice as hell. But yeah, go drop this car off. And I'm telling you, this shit look clean. But yeah, drop this car off. I'll talk to y'all. That shit crazy. I don't know how people do this. Like, how do you make this car? Like, let's have the car for 3 years. But this is a loan car, and it's the same guy that I just car showed previously, so you already know. White, okay. There's another one. But yeah, same guy I showed previously. That's clean. But yeah, the same guy I showed previously, his car, and that shit was dirty as fuck. And he left the far's dirty as hell too. Gotta take this shit straight to fucking detail. Like, I just had to show y'all, like, goddamn, like, when y'all get a loaner car, please don't fucking keep your shit dirty. If you do, make sure to clean it. Cause, wow, that is crazy. Where am I fucking park this? Park right here. That's an X5. X5 one right there. No, X3. My bad. I suck it. Where the fuck that shit came from this way? Damn, shit embarrassing. God damn. Taking fucking forever to fucking park. Yeah, that's good enough. God damn, don't have to be crazy. Always on a little paranoid because during the week, this fucking expensive ass car went to another car. And yeah, don't want that shit to happen again. Cause I haven't crashed in my own fucking car of any of my cars. Never fucking crashed. And one day I do. It's at my fucking job. Shit's insane. Crazy. And got me mad fucking tight. Good googly moogly. Yeah, these are both car shops. Right here. And the only other reason I like working on fucking Saturday, a free fucking meal. You ain't gonna fucking lie to you. Shit's unnecessary. And another reason I like working in dealership, access to the airport anytime. I go take this car right here, right now. So I'll get back to you after I take this car. Nah, but I gotta show y'all this. The fuck she think she is, Queen fucking Elizabeth? Like, goddamn. Got fur coat and everything. Like, it's never that fucking deep. Googly fucking movie. Miss fucking Voska. You must be from fucking Germany or something. Got this fucking seltzer water and everything. Spring water. That's people for it. That's people that drive BMWs for you. You drive the fucking expensive ass car, they think they gotta act rich. Crazy. Thanks, out. And yeah, like I was saying, these people be acting ignorant and shit. Like, goddamn. Like, you a person who's just like everyone else. You got a little bit more money. It really is, to be honest. But I really like this fucking big screen on the 2024 and 2025 models. Shit's it's nice. I wish there was a way you can get one on a fucking F chassis. If y'all know if there is, let me know in the comments. But yeah, gotta fucking go drop this off. That's really pretty much all it fucking is, just going back and forth, dropping cars off and everything. Do what you gotta do. I didn't really get to record an audio for this, but I had to show y'all this. It's of course looking like spec up to the T. It's perfectly how I'll do mine. Like, y'all gotta see this interior and everything. For the seats, color, to the fucking forest carbon. Ooh, shit is nice. But yeah, I had to show y'all at this end of the video. Couldn't let y'all get it at the beginning. Had to be a little secret, you know? But it's pretty much the end of the video. I'll let y'all go with the Marvelous Beauty. And yeah, make sure like and subscribe. Trying to get to that 1K. If you do, I might start uploading more. So y'all know. Peace.